Hi folks, today I'm unboxing the Oppo Reno4 Z 5G smartphone. This is the UK version and it's a budget 5G smartphone in the UK market. So I'm just gonna kind of look into it and then share my review on it in a separate video. So let's start with the unboxing of this phone. Let's peel it. I like peeling the plastic off. There you go. Right, so it's a plain blue box, obviously, and it's got all the main information on it, like the storage and the RAM. Then you've got the name of the phone and that it's 5G. Okay, well, that's the whole selling point, I guess. And the phone information on the side. Inside there you've got a lovely white box which says Oppo all over it. There you go. Paper box in there with a case, which is a nice accessory to have without having to pay for any extra. SIM ejection tool, paper, more paper, and more paper. And if that's not enough, a massive booklet of paper. There you go. And that's the case. There you go. So it's ready to go live. Right, so let's look at what else is in the box. So that comes the phone itself. We'll put that aside. Quite a massive phone, by the way. There you go. That's more paper for you. A nice charging brick. Apparently a fast charger, we'll see. We've got the headphones, and this phone does have a headphone jack. Yes, it does. And that's the USB Type-C charging cable. That's pretty much the content of the phone, of the box, sorry. And then here you go. Let's unpack the phone itself. There you go. First impression when you hold this phone in your hand is that it's a massive phone. Looks wise, it's really nice looking phone, but as I said, it's quite massive. There you go, that's the camera cuts out, and it does have a pre-applied screen protector on it as well. It's nicely branded, so it looks nice. I really like the texture of the phone, especially the back. It looks really nice. Although it's not a glass back, it's a plastic back phone. But the way it looks, it doesn't look cheap whatsoever. It really looks nice. It's got a quad camera setup there. And it does have a fingerprint scanner on the right hand side. There it is. And obviously it works really quick as well. A metal band all across, wrapped across the body of the phone. Obviously it's got all the basic stuff, all the volume controls, etc. on the left hand side. And then you've got at the bottom, you've got the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and a bottom firing speaker. Obviously that's the camera setup there. There you go, so I'm going to fire it up and get it all set up. Okay, I'll be posting another video following this video, which will have a proper review of the phone. So this one's, I think it's called Pearl White kind of smartphone, but I'll be making a proper video on this one very shortly. There you go, I'm just going to go away and do the setup. Thanks for watching.